A very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we're gonna start with the new block, not new block, new topic under block 25. So from our class, we have learned about the lithosphere and also the seven continent, right? So today, our topic of discussion for today is hydrosphere and the four oceans. Okay, hydrosphere and the four oceans. Now our aim for today is students will be able to identify the four oceans and explain their importance. Resources needed is your globe, worksheet S3, notebook, and your exit content book. The keywords that we will use today is ocean, marine, and glaciers. So let us learn the meaning of the keywords. Okay. So what is ocean? One of the large bodies of water that is separating the continents. They are known as ocean. And what is marine? Relating to or connected with the sea. They are known as marine. And what is glacier? A large body of ice which flows under its own mass, usually downhill. They are known as glacier. So what are the features, the main features of hydrosphere? So for this, this is actually not a new concept, okay, because we have been learned even in the class, right, the features of the three domains or the four domains that we have learned. So what are the main features of hydrosphere? Okay, so as we have learned that the hydrosphere, they are mainly in the liquid state, right, and it covers around 71% of the earth, and it comprises the four oceans. Okay, so the hydrosphere is mainly in the liquid state and it covers 71% of the earth and comprises the four oceans. Alright, so what are the names of the four oceans? Very simple, right? We have learned. Okay, so what are the names of the four oceans? Okay, you all know the answer. Okay, so the name of the four oceans are the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so a fun way to remember this name is in the mnemonic term. Okay, I am a person. All right, I am a person. I for India, M for Atlantic, O for ocean, P for Pacific. Okay, so Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. I for Indian Ocean, M for Atlantic Ocean, A for Arctic Ocean, P for person for Pacific Ocean. So that is how you learn. Okay, I am a person. Okay, now today we will identify the four oceans and understand their importance. Alright, so here in our class we will try to identify the four oceans and understand their importance. Now I want all of you to look at figure 6, okay, in your content book, and look at the four map showing the oceans of the world. And in your notebook you write the names of the countries, like continents surrounding each ocean and the direction in which each continent lies in relation to the ocean. Next, you have to write the approximate shape of the ocean. For example, either it is circular or triangular. Then at least two reasons why ocean are important to us. So all these things you have to do in your notebook. Okay, first of all you have to open to figure 6 and see uh, the map, okay, of the four ocean. And then in your notebook you have to write the names of the continent that is surrounding each ocean and the direction in which each continent lies in relation to the ocean. Next, you have to write the approximate shape of the ocean. If it's Pacific, so what's the shape of the Pacific Ocean? And if it's Atlantic, Indian, so what are the approximate shape? Okay, example has been given, like if it's either it's circular or triangular, like that. Okay, you have to find by observing the picture, and you have to write at least two reasons why oceans are important to us. So this is the four ocean. Okay, this is the four ocean as you will also see in your textbook. All right, so this is Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ocean, uh, all right, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So these are the picture of the four ocean. Okay, so you have to see this one. All right. All right, so you have to first you have to observe this particular figure, figure 6, and then you have to find out the answer as the question has been asked. All right. So which continents surround each ocean? So which of the continent they surround each ocean, and what is the shape of each ocean? As you can see from the picture, what is the shape of each ocean? And which is the largest ocean and which is the smallest ocean, as you can see from the picture. The shape, the continent is surrounded by all the ocean, and then the largest and the smallest ocean. All right, so if you have observed the picture carefully, you'll see that the Pacific Ocean is very large. All right, and then it is almost circular in shape. Circular in shape. Pacific Ocean is a very large ocean and is almost circular in shape. Okay, so Asia and Australia are to the waves of Pacific Ocean, to the waves of Pacific Ocean. North and South America are to the east of Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is shaped S. So you see that Atlantic Ocean is in S shape. Okay. North and South America are to its west. Europe and Africa are to its east. So the Indian Ocean is almost triangular in shape. You'll see that Ocean is almost triangular in shape. Okay. Asia is to its north, Africa is to its west, and Australia is to its east. So that is about Indian Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is almost circular in shape. It surrounds the North Pole and is bounded by the North America on one side and Eurasia on the other side. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean out of all the four oceans. Alright, followed by the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. So the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay, the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. This is the smallest ocean. Okay, and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. All right, I hope you get it. So these are the four oceans. Okay, importance, and so also the question is asking the importance of ocean, right? So it support marine life. Okay, it provide minerals, sources of water vapor, distribute sun heat, provide permanent highways. So these are the importance of oceans. Okay, they support marine life, those animals and plant species which live on the ocean. They provide minerals, provide a source of water vapor, distribute sun heat, and provide permanent highways. All right, for transportation. Okay, now why are ocean important to the world? So why are ocean actually important to the world? All right, so why? It is because, see, the oceans support a wide variety of marine life, like corals, like fish, dolphins, and whales, and many other. We get many minerals from the ocean. So the most important of which is salt. We get salt from the ocean. Okay, and ocean are the main source of water vapor in the atmosphere. Alright, so ocean observe the heat from the sun, and ocean current spread it to different parts of the world. And all oceans are interconnected. They are connected with one another. Okay, so ship can travel to any part of the world that is going through ocean. So it has become a highway. Okay, is that clear? The last question. Okay, see, the hydrosphere we know is mainly in the liquid state, as we have learned, right? But not completely in a liquid state. Okay, apart from the liquid state, In what other state is water found on the earth? So apart from liquid state, in what other state is water found on earth? This one you all know the answer, okay, because we have already discussed in the class, okay, in our previous topic, okay. So it is water is found in the gaseous state, that is in the form of water vapor in the atmosphere, okay, as I explained to you. And it is also found in solid state, that is in the form of glaciers, all right, ice cube, okay. Okay, so now things to do for today is you have to complete your practice question 7, 8 and 9, okay, 7, 8 and 9 along with your worksheet S3. So that's it. All the best, take care and have a good day.